Howdy brewers, long time no see. I know, before you say anything, yes, I have been busy. I'm sorry I haven't been here a while. I still have to post the comparison of the Cooper's Recipe of the Month, their extra strong vintage ale, and compare it to a side-by-side with a commercial version. But before we do that one, which will be probably the next video, tonight, or this time, I want to put together what is called a Boddington's Pub Ale clone. So we have some golden syrup, some dark malt syrup, the supermarket lager, which is, as I've said before, is a very good pre-hopped base malt kit. It's very easy to work with when you're trying to make some sort of other extract kit. And the other kit, oh sorry, wrong one. That's better. Is this pre-hopped dry malt extract kit, which is, I've got this one because it's an English bitter, and the Boddingtons being an English ale. So we're going to, there's 3 litres of water in here. It's just come to the boil. I'm going to add this, the golden syrup and the dark malt extract, and I'm just going to boil that for 10 minutes with throwing in, at the start of the boil, 12.5 grams of fuggles hops, and then at 5 minutes I'm also going to throw in another 12.5 grams of fuggles hops, because as I've seen, Boddington's Pub Ale has fuggles in it. Classic British hop, really earthy, I love it. Yeah, so I will get onto that. Don't worry about this being all hard and everything, it'll dissolve very quickly in the hot water. So yeah, I'll get onto the brew. Cheers. Before I add this, make sure the water isn't boiling when you, essentially you don't want the element on when you add this, any malt or anything like that. It can stick to the bottom and scald, and you don't want that charred flavour into your brew. Alright, now I can add it all. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're at a rolling boil. You can go the first lot of hops for 10 minutes. And the other thing I'm going to do is add a teaspoon of yeast nutrient to this. Don't want it to boil over. Okay. Alright, 5 more minutes of that, then I'll add the next lot of hops. Okay, that's 5 minutes. It's a second lot of fuggles hops, and yeah, 5 more minutes and then we're done. Now the mesh little sieve is completely unnecessary. You don't have to use it, I just want to keep the hop matter out. That's why I've used it. Alright, so there we have it, hopefully a Boddington's Pub Ale clone. No, sorry, Draft Ale clone. Until next time, hopefully it's not as long. Happy brewing.